everyone! In the most recent series when we talked about first things first, we mentioned how when we plan out our weeks, we want to keep in mind our life goals and our mission statements. And through this process of planning out this way, I've really come to realize that in order for me to be able to kind of pursue some of the life goals that I've set for myself, I need more time to work on them. I've also had some things happen to me in the past year that really changed my outlook on life. And my takeaway from all of this has kind of been that I need to take some time off from YouTube. Mark your planners though, because I will be returning on Saturday, November 19th with the start to a series where I'm doing flip throughs and setups of the planners that I will be using in 2023. And I'm especially excited to use this habit planner for work next year. It's just so different from what I'm used to using. If you want to get notified when my next video is posted, make sure that you are signed up for my mailing list, and I'll leave the link in the description down below. If you are signed up for the mailing list and you're still not getting emails, double check your spam folder, because I think a lot of people's emails have been going to spam lately. Also, another way to get notified is to click on the bell icon and change the setting from personalized to all. And in the meantime, I have over 350 videos posted on this channel, so if you want to catch up on those during this time, I have updated all of the playlists, and I'll leave the links to those playlists down below for you. So some categories are functional planning, free printables, ideas for using your planner, goal setting, and so on. I really do appreciate your support. I've always wanted this channel to be about sharing our ideas with each other, sharing what we've learned with each other, and also for it to be a place where we encourage each other. So when I see you leaving comments where you are encouraging someone else in the comment section, that to me is amazing. And I absolutely love reading your comments and getting to know you better, and I want to continue doing so. So I hope that you will come back to join me on November 19th. Bye!